Hey guys, Tony here. So just a quick update on the GameStop calls that I actually purchased. Currently, for both of them, I am up overall about 140%. You guys do know that I usually only hold till I hit maybe 20, 30, 40% gains. This will be the first time that I actually hold an option all the way through where I think the price is actually going. So I do think GameStop is going to be hitting closer to the 24 or 25 price range within the next 4 or 5 days. Which means that I probably will be holding this over the weekend up until probably Monday, or if it does hit by tomorrow, I'm probably closing out. I'm just kind of getting a feel of the momentum of GameStop. If we do hit $23 today on GameStop, I will more than likely sell the contracts for whatever the percentage gain is. But I'm just kind of updating you guys on the ones that I just purchased and letting you guys see it here. Overall, I am up right now 137%. So we'll see if this the momentum kind of keeps going for these calls.